If Figma is giving you a server problem, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to check whether the issue is on Figma's side or on your side, and how to get back into your files as quickly as possible. This is a super useful troubleshooting guide if Figma is not loading, you're seeing connection errors, or the app just keeps refusing to sync. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, check the live status of Figma. Open your browser and go to the official Figma status page. This is the easiest way to see if Figma servers are currently having problems. On the status page, look for any incident reports, degraded performance warnings, or ongoing outages. If the servers are down, then the problem is not with your device, and the best move is simply to wait until Figma fixes the issue on their end. If everything looks normal on the status page, then the problem is likely local to your setup, so let's keep going. Next, test your internet connection. Sometimes Figma will look like it has a server problem, but the real issue is a weak or restricted network connection. A quick way to test this is to switch to a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network. If Figma starts working on a different connection, then your current internet provider, router, or network settings may be blocking access to Figma services. In that case, restart your router, reconnect your device, and test again. This simple step can save a lot of time because it helps you figure out whether the problem is really Figma or just your internet connection. Now disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs, corporate proxies, and strict firewalls can sometimes interfere with Figma's connection to its servers. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off and then reload Figma. If you're on a work or school network, your organization may be using a proxy or firewall that blocks certain services. Try temporarily disconnecting from that network, or check with your IT team if Figma is being restricted. After disabling the VPN or proxy, refresh the page or restart the app and see if the problem clears up. In many cases, this alone fixes the server connection issue. After that, clear the app cache. If you're using Figma in a browser, clear your browser data, including cached files and cookies, then sign back in and try again. If you're using the Figma desktop app, fully close the app and restart it. You can also clear the app cache if needed, depending on your operating system. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause loading problems, sync errors, or strange connection messages that look like a server issue. Restarting or clearing cache gives Figma a clean start and often resolves the problem right away. If you've gone through all of these steps and Figma still isn't working, the issue may be temporary, and the safest thing to do is wait a little while before trying again. You can also check Figma from another device to see if the same issue appears there. That extra test can help you confirm whether it's account-related, device-related, or network-related. So to recap, first check the Figma status page, then test your internet with another network, disable VPN or proxy settings, and finally clear your browser data or restart the desktop app. These are the best first steps to fix a Figma server problem quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this one.